right, girls, keep moving now. Head on through the gate.
Keep an eye on the moisture levels in this section.
Will do. The distribution seems spot on, though.
Just relax now. Everything is fine.
Cow 34B, left hind clear. Coat condition, good, record that. Moving on to 35.
All right, logging this hoof as healthy. Slight separation here, but nothing major. You're all set, nice and easy now.
The feed line on Sector 4 is clear.
Acknowledged. We are commencing the next rotation.
Starting the wash cycle now. Everything appears to be running smoothly.
Ensure the next group is staged and ready for entry into Bay 2. This cycle should complete in approximately 3 minutes.
Rinse cycle complete.
And that's number 67890 registered.
Okay, girl, next one.
Easy now, keep moving forward.
They're clear on this end, opening the rotary.
Clear, door is locked. Moving to station 3.
Check your blades, everyone. Let's ensure they are secure.
Yes, making sure they are tightly fastened.
Pull harder on your side.
Okay, I got it now, keep going.
The tension is holding steady. We are clear for the next phase.
All right, pull hard on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, smooth it out right here. Looks perfect.
Looks good. 15.2 by 8.5.
Perfect, let's log it.
Blade pressure set to 25 psi. Rotation stabilizing.
The coverage looks good. Recording 95% efficacy for this batch.
Okay, temperature holding steady at 4.5 degrees Celsius. We are good to go.
Oh, you get that spot right there.
Yeah, I see it. It's clean now.
Look how clean that section is already. Yay.
Yes, the new pressure settings are making a difference. Much better throughput.
Levels are stable at 0.8. Consistency looks good.
The agitation cycle is running smoothly. Hides are evenly coated.
Confirmed.
Make sure you get the edges clean.
Yeah, I'm working on it now.
This section looks good, very smooth.
Yes, the jets are working perfectly today.
Slowly lowering the hide into the pit.
Check the levels on VAT 3. The pH is fluctuating.
Yeah, I see it. Rerouting the flow now.
Sequence complete for VAT 2. Moving to the darker solution.
Confirmed. Schedule aligned.
All right, I'll adjust the airflow in zone 3.
thickness is stable at 2 millimeters.
Adjusting the speed now.
Notice the difference here. This is the fine grain, very soft, and the split, much more fibrous.
Tension levels look good on the readout.
Yes, the vacuum held perfectly this cycle.
The base coat consistency is approved. The match to the swatch is exact. Bend test, pass. Hand feel, pass. Recording results now. All measurements are recorded here. The consistency is excellent.
Make sure the laser alignment is checked daily.
Roger that. It's on the list for this afternoon.
Look at that edge. Absolutely flawless work.
Excellent quality on these cuts. They are ready for the next stage.
The seams are flawless. This one is ready for shipment.
Experience the unparalleled softness and exquisite grain of our premium leather collection.
That's perfect. The hide flexes just right.
See how the leather falls naturally. That is the sign of true quality.
Approved. The clasp mechanism is working perfectly.
Stack 42 confirmed. Moving on.
Take care, drive safe.
See you tomorrow.